I want to do an experiment today, and I want to see if there actually is any difference in the different silicones that we use in our paintings to create cell-like effects. So this experiment, I have 5 different kinds of silicones that I hear about and that are the more common ones. So first off, this is just a Treadmill Lubricant. I'm going to try that out, 100% silicone. WD40. Okay, this one is the only one that I've not actually used in any of my paintings. It smells like shit, and I'm just gonna do it today just for experimental purposes. This here, you can't see what it is because it is covered in paint, but this is Pouring Masters silicone oil. And right here we have, this one is a common one I hear about a lot, and I've used it several times, and it seems to work pretty well, but this is coconut milk serum. And finally, we have the Astro waterproof silicone personal lubricant. Okay, let's get started. So with this experiment, I'm going to do it through a flip cup, and then I'm going to create chameleon cells with the 5 different kinds of silicone oils. All right, so my paints are each mixed with, they are 1 part acrylic, and then it's about 2.5 parts Artist Loft high gloss pouring medium. Alright, so let's flip this right here. Oop. Alright, and so while that's sitting, okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour out my different silicones. Okay, first off, we have Treadmill Lubricant. And I'm just going to use just a few drops of each. Drops, yep. Okay, I'll put that there so we don't get mixed up. Alright, this is the nasty shit, WD40. Let's see what it does. And smells like coconut. Who would have thought? Okay, so this one I have a feeling spreads, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's start a line right there. Pouring Master Silicone Oil. Not mad about it, looks pretty good. The cells seem to be, they're merging, but it doesn't look sloppy as the last two. This one I'm in love with. This is the Coconut Milk Serum. Those look pretty cool, and they do seem to spread a little bit more than the Pouring Master's silicone oil. Okay, but you can kind of see the difference between the two. And I like the results of the last three. Okay, pretty cool. So yeah, so what you do with them is up to you. Just don't use the WD-40. Just don't do it. Okay, bye.